Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN, and I'm going to be showing you the Bradley stock market model. This is done by Donald Bradley back in 1946, predicting what the market would do in 1947 using these key astro dates. These are the key dates for the year. If you remember back here on the 27th of November, which was the high of the market, that was the key Bradley date. That's when the New York Stock Exchange hit the high, and it's sold off a bit. There's 325. That was the I'll show you what these were. This was March. Let's try it again, Larry. March 25th, May 13th, 26th of May, and here we are coming into the 10th and 11th of the month here in the stock market. Now, what we're going to do now is I'm going to bring up the S&P here just to show you where we are. Hold on, I'll do these other trades. We've had so many trades popping up today, folks, and they've all been good, by the way. But let's take a look here at this daily. Here it is right here. I've already done it. I just did it for these. Now, what I have done in the past, these Bradley date things, folks, I looked at every single Bradley date, every single major date where there was an up or down move. In other words, the trend changed in the Bradley market. I've looked at every one of these since 1886, 10 years. 20 years after the Civil War, we started getting really good data from the New York Times. And that's where then later on the Dow Jones came out, and the Wall Street Journal was sometime in the early 1900s. But these are these dates, and I looked at all of these. I was really skeptical about astrology. But when you have a really key Bradley, there was the high right before the big crash, folks. That was the high right there on the 25th, just like it said, okay? Then you had one on the 13th. That was right here. Okay, then you had another one coming in right now, and that's the one we're watching right here on the June 10th, 11th, 12th. That's what it's at. And we're making a new high, and if you remember, we were talking about this yesterday because of the fact that this Dow Jones the S&P just did not want to go down, and now we have made the new high up in here, so that's fulfilled that thing. Now, if we look at the Dow Jones, you're going to be seeing here that it's also had a big run here today. Hasn't made new highs as of yet, but we just completed an ABCD, I think, just about a minute ago because the beeper went off. Oh, there it is right there. Hey, let's take a break. We'll be right back. 877-927-6648.